Hello, guys. In another 8 minutes, who are planning to come or want to probably get on your friends, then just get them as soon as possible. We're going to start in another 8 minutes. Hello, guys. Don't worry. Just stay up till here. We're going to start within 3 minutes from now. Hello guys. So it is just about a minute left before we start.
It's 5 o'clock.
Okay, so let's start. Though I was expecting a lot of you people coming to this webinar, but it surprises me that with such a good guidance and a good sort of like everything prepared for you guys, and like you guys haven't not all, like a lot of you have shown up. So with whoever is there and is listening to this webinar, I will just go it and serve to those people because I really feel that the guys that who have come up over here are really the ones who want to like sort of improve their career. Okay, so let's just like start with this webinar. So this webinar is about Android engineering and how this is a very fruitful and very good career option that you should be looking after when you pass out from your college. Okay, so before we go it, a little bit about me. I have over 8 years of experience in programming and Android development. I got into IIT Delhi in 2008 and got into mechanical engineering. Was deeply passionate about computer science. But I got into mechanical engineering. So that was like not exactly what I wanted from my engineering career. So thereafter, I did a lot of internships in more than 15 projects, which gave me enough hands-on experience to face the life and to face my career. I also did lots and lots of trainings offline and online. Okay, and as a result of it, I got placed at DNA. This is the global leader in Japan, which is about the mobile gaming. Okay, that was there. I was right there, like working in that company, like learning the best of technology in that company. Okay, so that was the thing that I was able to achieve after the 4 years of toil that I did. Okay, so that is little bit about me. Let's just go it. So after I came back to India after my job from over there, I decided to give my mantra, my tips to everyone in India. Okay, so that is how this Eckovation and my teaching career sort of started. Okay, why Android? So you know what? Android has more than 3.3 million apps live on the Play Store. 3.3 million means 33 lakh. That's like one third of a crore apps are right there on Play Store live for you to be able to download. Okay, there were more than 65 billion. 1 billion is 100 crore. Okay, so that makes it around 6,500 crore times the apps were downloaded in May 2016, and this number goes on increasing day on day. Okay, there are more than 20,000 jobs in Android available right now. So if you right now know about Android, and if you go out there in the job market, you can choose from more than 20,000 jobs. Okay, isn't it exciting? Okay, now you know something that will fetch you more than 20,000 options to be able to pick a job from there. Okay, so there are more than 20,000 jobs available in India right now in Android, which makes Android a very suitable career option. The average pay is 400,000. A lot of you are probably in very good engineering colleges, so you might thinking that okay, 4 lakh is a less amount, right? But many of you are not in very good engineering colleges, right? And you guys are probably looking at like say Infosys or TCS as a job options, right? I'm telling you, joining Infosys or TCS after the 4 years of hard work at your college sucks. Okay, like it makes no sense. Okay, and here if you're good at Android, your average pay will be about 400,000, like 4 lakh rupees when you pass out, and your salary range can be between 4 lakh to 20 lakhs or even more when you become really good at that skill and you are into your career like for a few years. Okay, so it gives you awesome growth potential. Okay, that is the benefit of Android. Android gets you a job. Okay, if you know Android, if you have done a few things well in your 4 years of engineering, it will get you a job when you pass out from your college. Okay, as compared to other skills, Android is the most favorable skill when you are out there in the job market. Okay, things required to launch your career. You should be able to build at least 3 to 4 apps in your college. Okay, when you are if you are trying to hope that you want to go into Android development. Let me just put you all guys a message. Please please keep posting your doubts over here. So guys, please keep posting doubts in the like YouTube comment section. I will be taking the doubts in the last 15 to 30 minutes of this session. Okay, so yes, so I was saying that if you want to launch your career in Android, build at least 3 to 4 apps while you are in your college. Okay, that's the very important thing. Out of those 3 to 4 apps that you build, at least one of them should be on Play Store live. Okay, so that when you are going for your interview, you will be able to show that, okay, this is the link to my app. Just and then that interviewer, whosoever is taking your interview, should be able to basically look at your app live. Okay, imagine this, like you are in a room, your interviewer is asking, okay, what kind of work you have done in your college, and that work and that you are saying that, okay, I've got this much percentage in college, I've done this, I've done that, and then you show that, hey, you know what, I built this one app and it is live on Play Store. Just go and search for this name. Okay, and then that interviewer will say, okay, and then the interviewer will just search for that app. Okay, when the interviewer searches for your app, then this find your beautiful looking sexy app on Play Store, you can be sure that you will definitely get hired. Okay, so that is what I look in the candidates which whom I am interviewing on daily basis. Okay, build the right kind of apps. Okay, many people who build apps in their colleges and finally have them displayed in their resumes later on are not internet enabled. Okay, so make sure that your app is connected to the internet. Make sure that your app works well. Make sure that your app is dynamic. Okay, make sure that your app takes in some data and is just like stores and changes that data like anywhere. Okay, yeah, so okay, do internship in at least one startup. Okay, take internship in at least one startup when you are in your engineering college. Okay, I'm telling you because startups generally are building apps from scratch. So if you are in a startup team building an application, you can be sure that you are learning the best things. Okay, because when you build an app from the scratch while talking to a lot of people around you in a company trying to solve a problem, trying to launch your app on the Play Store, you learn the best possible things. Okay, that is where you learn actually. Okay, you don't learn while sitting in your college hostel room and talking to your friends that, okay, I want to become an Android developer. Okay, you don't learn that way. You learn when you are in a startup trying to build one fucking app which has been told by our boss that okay, please build this app and we need to launch it in say like 15 days or 20 days or something like that. Okay, you guys generally will be getting an internship for 2 months, right? So make sure you build one app in your internship. Okay, that is really important. Certify your skills. Okay, you know what, interviewers are generally getting a lot of resumes every day. Okay, some certifications in the market are very valuable, so the moment they find that name, that certificate name in your resume, they immediately know that this guy has done something. Okay, they will immediately know that okay, this guy has rubbed his ass off while doing this course, and that is how this person has got that certificate. Okay, so it is very important that you take the right kind of certification and mention it on your resume. Okay, and then again, when you are sitting in the front of your interviewer trying to get a job on Android development, you should be making sure that you are updated about the Android. Okay, the latest version that has come up on the Android, the latest app, the latest feature, the latest UX trend, the latest Android trend, the latest coding pattern trend, the latest thing that has been announced by Google. Stay updated about that. Okay, unless you are not updated about that, you will not be able to build your reputation in the front of the interviewer. Okay, so make sure that you are updated about the latest in the Android when you are going in the front of your interviewer. What to learn? First of all, learn Java. Okay, I can see over here that a lot of you have asked questions about what how to start Android, right? So that is here. That is your question. So I think someone was saying Persani or say Harsh or someone was saying that how to learn Android, right? So yes. Wait, let me just post you guys as a question, right? So questions, I will answer them all at the end of this session. Okay, so I just posted like some message in the YouTube live chat. Okay, so yes, so you should know about Java. You should know about activities, fragments, intents, shared preferences, MySQL database, services, material design, XML layouting, Kotlin, animations, Android Studio permissions, Android Oreo, Android Marshmallow, and many more. Okay, don't be intimidated. You can learn all these things if you follow a very simple process. I will be going deep into that. Don't worry, just hang on for another couple of minutes with me. Okay, don't go anywhere. So now we know what to learn. Okay, how to proceed. Do an online or an offline course. Okay, at the completion of your course, showcase your app. Okay, then apply for an internship, and then repeat this process. Okay, repeat this process at least 5 to 6 times while you're doing your engineering. Then no matter how much percentage you have in your 10th or 12th, no matter which fucking college you are in, no matter what you are doing right now, you can be sure that you will be getting a very good career by the time you graduate from your course. Okay, so please note down these steps. Do an online course. After the completion of the course, showcase your project on an app, apply for an internship, and repeat this process. Just go on fucking repeating it. Okay, now you must be thinking how to basically learn Android, right? So very bluntly, I'll tell you two things. Okay, many of you are thinking that okay, I'll go online, search about Android, and will try learning about Android. Okay, so I'll tell you there are two ways to go about it. Either learn by searching on Google, or either learn using an Eckovations course. Okay, so there are key differences. So I think I just messed this up. Sorry for that. There is no one to guide you when you are learning by searching. Okay, there is no one to guide you. All you have to do is you just have to like take up things online on your own. You don't really know what to search, when to search, in which order to do what. You don't really know about that. Okay, so there is no one to guide you when you are searching online, but you get expert mentorship and hand holding when you are doing a course with Eckovation. Okay, um, when you're stuck somewhere, you lose time and confidence. I'm telling you personally, I've tried learning a lot of things on my own. Okay, and whenever I used to get stuck in that, after 1 to 2 days I used to leave that technology. Okay, I didn't pursue it further. Okay, that is the
It's 5:15.
that was because I lost all my confidence. Okay, I lost all my confidence. I was not able to keep myself motivated. When you are in a course, your instructor will always be with you and will always handhold you whenever you are stuck somewhere. Okay, whenever you are stuck, you will get a help. You will be able to solve your doubt and you will be able to go forward. That is the benefit that you have when you're doing a course on Eckovation. Learning by searching is inefficient. Okay, I'm telling you that if you want to say learn 10 skills, okay, in these 4 years, it will take you a hell lot of time and it won't be efficient for you if you're searching online. For example, if you want to learn Android. Okay, suppose if you say that, okay, I will not be doing an internship in December, I will not be doing an internship in June and July. What I'll do is I'll go online and search and learn myself. Okay, the kind of learning you have over there is inefficient. If you do an online course with Ecovation, you will be able to learn better in a shorter period of time. So people are able to learn Android in 2 months during their semester and are able to get an internship instantly when they pass out from their course. Okay, so learning through an online course, for example at Ecovation, is very efficient because you have all the things cooked up, you have all the things in order, arranged in a particular manner which is best suited for everyone who is learning that skill. And so you will end up not wasting your time and it will be very efficient for you to learn things better that way. Okay, no certification. When you're searching online, you have no certification. Even if you're able to build your app, you will not be able to get shortlisted in the good companies. Why? Because you don't have a valid certificate. If you have a valid certificate, it will increase your chance immensely to be at least able to get shortlisted for interviews. Okay, you need a good certificate to be able to shortlist in a particular interview. Okay, frequently asked questions. I'm having exams in December. Okay, killer feeling. Okay, I'm telling you, this feeling will not get you anywhere. You know what? If you go by human psychology, we have aims. Okay, if you don't have an aim for a particular moment in time, okay, you know what you will do? You will fill up and take and replace that aim with something else, something that is not very useless. Okay, if you suppose you're going to have your exams in the next 15 days or 20 days, something like that. Maybe you will be having your exams in November, maybe you are having your exams right now, or maybe you will have your exams in December. Okay, if you subscribe in your course right now, your mind will be conditioned that, okay, I have to take this course. I have already subscribed for it. I have to take this course when I am done with my exams. Your mind will already be tuned with respect to that. Okay, that is why don't wait for your exams. Subscribe your course right now. Go and tell your parents that, hey, I want to subscribe in this course right now. That is because I need to be conditioned that I have to. I should be having a goal that I have to take this course when I'm done with my exams. I don't want to distract myself from anything that will happen after the exams are over. That is why I want to subscribe this course right now, so that my mind will be trained and my mind will be prepared that, okay, I have to take this course. I have to fucking start it when my exams are done. Okay, that is why don't wait for your exam. Subscribe your course right now. Many of you are having doubts again and again. We keep on listening these doubts in the counseling sessions almost every day, that will the certificate be valid and accepted everywhere in the country, in the industry. I'm telling you, it will be. Don't worry, the Eckovation certificate is going to help you in your career. It will help you get shortlisted. Wherever you are, whichever company it is, it will help you get shortlisted. Okay. So many of you ask that if I have exams, how like if I have exam, if I stop for 10 days or 15 days, how will I be able to catch up? I'll tell you, Ecovation courses are self-paced. Okay, since they are self-paced, you will be able to continue them if you, even if you don't take your classes online for 10 days or something like that. Okay, Ecovation courses are self-paced, so you can do them at any time, at any point in hour, at anywhere, wherever you are, at any time. So subscribe them, you do them, you take a pause for your exams and continue and come back into the course after you are done with that course, after you are done with that exam. Okay, is it value for money? I'm telling you, personally, take my personal word for it, it is value for money. We have over thousands and thousands of students graduating from here every now and then, and I'm telling you, it is very value for money. It is one of the best investments that you will be making in your career. Okay. I'm just posting a message in the real-time chat. Okay, stay here, guys. Keep posting in your doubts in the chat section. I will be taking them up shortly. Okay, stay here, guys. Yeah. So let me come back to where I was. So yes. So is it value for money? Yes. Take my word for it. It is value, very value for money. It is the best value that you can derive for your some money that you invest in this course. Okay. I'm attending this webinar. Do I get any special benefit? Yes, you do. We are always asked this question. In fact, the last webinar we did on career in programming, I was asked this question at least 50 times in the webinar, in the one-to-one sessions that I was taking. That after, like, since I took the webinar, do I get something special or something like that? I told them, yes, you will be getting a special benefit. Stay on for this whole presentation. You will be getting a very nice gift from the Eckovation for your token of appreciation since you are attending this webinar. Okay, stay with me. Will I be able to make my any project in this course? Of course. You know what? At Ecovation, we believe, as I just is just telling you, that if you don't have projects, if you don't have fucking projects to be displayed on your resume at the end of this course, or when you're going for your placements, you stand no chance of going anywhere. That is why you will be able to make two projects in this Android course by the time you pass out from it. No matter what, you will be able to build two projects. Okay, so yes, you will be able to build your projects in this course. How do I join Ecovation's Android course? Just go to this link that I have mentioned. You can also click on this link in the footer of this YouTube video that you are watching. There is a link over there. The cost of the program is 3,499. We're very soon going to raise the prices for this course, because we have been seeing massive enrollments in our Android program. We're very soon going to increase the prices. So if you really want to, like, become a good Android developer, if you really want to be a part of those 20,000 jobs that are available in the Android domain right now, go and subscribe for Android development program or of Eckovation. Okay, go discount. So as I was telling you, that since you have spent more than 23 minutes listening to me, you have given me 23 minutes of your life to me. I'm really thankful for that, and you will be getting a discount. Please apply Eco Webinar, ECKOWEBINAR, as the promo code in your payment subscription, in the subscription that you will be doing, and you will be getting attractive discounts. Don't worry about that. that this discount is valid only for the people who have attended this webinar. So if you are really want to get into that, just go and subscribe for this Android development program today. Okay. Placements. So when you are done with this Android course, you are done with the internship, you will be able to get placed in all these fantastic companies: Zomato, BookMyShow, Uber, Flipkart, Snapdeal, Eckovation, Ola, Yola. You will be an ideal candidate to be able to basically go and join these companies head on head. Okay. So if you're really wanting to take a plunge in your career, if you really want to get placed in the best possible companies, go ahead and join the Ecovation's Android course. And first of all, I would also like to tell you that probably many of you are confused about it. The Ecovation's Android course is taken by me. So it's the same Akshat Goel who is taking your webinar right now. The same Akshat Goel will be taking up your course as well. So if you really want to upgrade your career, then just go and join the Ecovation's Android development course. Okay. So if you have the desired skills, if you have the right kind of skills, companies will be running after you rather than you running after them. Okay. So with that, I would like to close this session. I would like to now open up this discussion for any doubts that you guys might be having. I'm open for discussion. I'm all ears. Just keep asking your doubts, whatever you are having. Any doubt that you have in the comment section of this video, just let me just put like the camera on and probably show you my face. Just hold on for a moment. Yeah, so here we go. So just go in the like comment section, paste in your doubts over there. Just keep writing. Okay, I'm over here. I'm with you guys for next 34 minutes. Okay, I'm with you guys. If you have any questions, just keep asking them out. I will be answering them as soon as I listen to your doubt. Okay. Now I'm taking the doubts for the people who have already asked some of them. Just hold on. Okay. Yeah. So I have the first doubt from. Let me just read them out. I have the first doubt from Harsh Pandey. Harsh Pandey is saying that the Android jobs are getting lesser day by day. I'll tell you, Harsh, Android jobs are not getting less day on day. I would say they are increasing. Each and every company that you see out there, any company that you see is nowadays developing their own Android application. So don't worry, if you know Android development, you should not be worrying about the jobs. There are plenty of jobs available right now. As I was telling you, right now there are more than 20,000 jobs or job opportunities available for Android. So if you know Android, you know that you have 20,000 job options, okay, available for you to pick one job, okay. You know what? In India, we are having a problem of not being employable. Here I'm telling you a course that you take this course, build everything that is recommended in the course, build up your resume, and you will get a job. That is how Ecovation is one of the best education technology companies right now. That is how we are solving the problem of unemployment and technical education in India. So don't worry, there are enough opportunities in Android in India. You are not going to suffer if you join this course. Okay, if you are going to learn Android. Okay. Another one. So I have a doubt from Parsani Harshil. Parsani is asking, which language is required to build Android app? As I just told in the presentation, you need Java to build Android applications. Satyanshu is also asking the same. Which language should be learned to make sexy apps? Yes, for making sexy apps, you need to know Java, and you will be able to build sexy apps. In startup, what type of bootstrap entrepreneur wants? I didn't understand your question, Satyanshu. So if you are still listening to us, kindly rephrase your question and just post it over here. I'm all ears. Okay. How to check that you are interested in Android development? Saurabh Gupta is asking. This is a good question. You know what? You can be sure whether you are interested in Android development or not. If you're using an Android phone and if you're say ordering some food via Zomato online, or maybe you are chatting with your teacher on Eckovation app, and you say that, hey, this is beautiful, right? And I don't know how it works, but it seems fantastic. I would like to know how it works. If you have ever got this kind of question in your mind, you can be sure that Android development is for
It's
you.
5:30.
My computer keeps on telling me the time every now and then, so please don't mind. My computer was just telling me that okay, it's 5:30. Yeah, so let's keep going. Bhargav Shah, are there any prerequisites for Android development? Yes, there are prerequisites that you need to know Java before you can build good Android applications. That is why in the Ecovations Android development course, which has been built by me, is is basically teaching you complete Java. So you get to know Java in and out before you get on to build a successful Android application. Okay. Nilesh Kumar, are there any basic requirement or eligibility needed to learn Android? No. If you take the Equations Android course, we will be teaching you Java from very basic. Okay. From the 0th level, we will be teaching you Java, and you will be able to basically build your sexy apps once you're done with that. Okay. Nikhil Kumawat is asking for a website link. Nikhil, I've already shared a website link with you in the chat section. Please go over that. And if you don't find one, you can look for the link that has been mentioned in the bottom notes of the video. You can find link over there as well. Nilesh is asking any language which is needed to learn before starting Android. I think this question is coming up again and again. Nilesh, sorry, Nilesh, for you also, you can learn you need to learn Java before you can do that. What about the Ashish is saying? What about the guys who are unable to subscribe due to some reasons? Hey Ashish, if you're not able to subscribe for some reason, we are all ears. Please do ask me. Okay. Ayush Tripathi. Hey Ayush, it was very nice talking to you since last so many days. So you're asking how do I freelance as an Android engineer? You know what? Go to freelancer.com and start picking up projects over there. You will be able to find some good freelancing opportunities over there. And I'm telling you, if you are looking for freelancing, you can be earning lakhs of rupees per month if you start freelancing. Please do give me a hands out if you get into freelancing. I will definitely give you some work if you want to do some freelancing into it. Okay, Ayush, please do. So Ayush is right now listening to this webinar with me. I've been very impressed with Ayush. Ayush has done fantastic in the Ecovations Android course. He has been connected over me through the course for a couple of months now. He's very good child. He's done fantastic applications till now, and now, as you can see, he's already going to become a freelancer. And you know what? He'll be earning lakhs of rupees because he knows Android and he knows how to go into freelancing and everything because he has been connected with Ecovation and with me also personally. Not because Ayush is special, but it is because Ayush is serious. Ayush wants to go, wants to figure out life, wants to go it and see things. Okay, that is why Ayush is over here, where like you guys are probably not, but you all guys also can be over there. Ayush Raj is asking, I am currently in first year in my college. I have not been taught C properly, and there hasn't been focus on logic building. In what courses should I take? Ayush, you should first be taking C course on Ecovation, and after that you should be learning on Android development. Okay, don't worry, this will be your best decision. I'm over here right now. I'm telling you, this will be your best decision. Take up the C course of Equation, build your logic, build sample programs, build your assignments, then go into Android development. You will have a very good life from here. Okay, Ayush, I hope your answer has been solved. So Ayush Tripathi is asking, did you build the Eckovation app? Yes, I did. I did build the Eckovation app a couple of years back. Now there is a team of developers who are building Eckovation app further. Yes, I am now the lead instructor and the lead teacher, like focusing on spreading the idea of education and solving the problem of education, like all over the India. So that is what I do right now. I am not developing in like Equations Android app actively now, but yes, the basic parts of it for many years have been built by me. So yes, I built Equation app. Yes, and I'm proud of it. So there is then. Yes, Nilesh. If you subscribe to my Android course at Ecovation, you will be taught Java, and we will be telling you everything that you need to proceed into the world of Android. Okay. Pasani is asking, give me some freelancing website name. Go to freelancer.com, Pasani, and you will be able to find some very good things. Nikhil Rathod, do you offer refunds in case I'm not satisfied? First of all, you won't be dissatisfied with this course. But even if you do, Equation is a very stable platform, okay? And they keep focusing on each and every customer very personally. So even if there comes a chance where you're not able to cope up and you want a refund, Equation won't step back. You will get a refund. Don't worry about that, Nikhil. Bhargav Shah. Is there anything better, Android development or full stack developer? I would say both are good. Okay, and if you really want to like go ahead in your life, I would say first learn Android development and then go into full stack development. That will again do a very good stuff for you. That is a very good thing to do. Okay, yeah, Ashish Messi. One more question: can a newbie apply for Android development? I mean, I have no hands. Yes, Ashish, apply you can apply for Android development even if you are a newbie. Is it necessary to know DS, DAA, and OS? No, Ashish, that is not required. You just need to have commitment for the course. You will be able to do well. Okay. So just go ahead and join this course, and you will do very well. Don't worry about that, Ashish. Don't just worry. If you were here, I would have like sort of given you a pat on your back and said that don't worry, Ashish, just go and start building your apps. You will do very well. Pasani, is there any demo for this course? No, Pasani. I am here over here giving you a demo. You want anything else? I'm also reachable on WhatsApp. You guys have my contact number also, right? What do you need the demo for? And we like the way I'm talking to you right now. If you're able to listen to me, this is a demo for you. Okay, so don't worry. You don't need any demo. I am the live demo sitting in front of you, Pasani. Ayush Tripathi, courses at Ecovation are awesome. No marketing aside. Thank you, Ayush. How to trust on the quality of courses they provide. Demo. Harsh Pandey. I am the hallmark of quality. Okay. If you are listening to me right now, if you are over there, and if you're listening to me, I am your benchmark for quality. If you like me, if you are liking the way I'm talking, if you're liking everything around that is happening over here, then yes, that is the guarantee of Ecovision's quality that you get. Okay, don't worry about that. That is my personal course that I have built over last couple of years. Okay, I have almost everything that I have known till now. I have stored and coded into that. I am the benchmark of quality. Don't worry about that. Um, Bhargav, okay, Bhargav is saying, okay, thank you. Ashish is saying, I got it, thanks. Thank you, Ashish. I'm looking forward to you in the course. Harsh, thank you, sir. Thank you very much, Ashish. Nilesh Kumar, what is the duration of your Android course? Like 3 months? That is a very good question, Nilesh. So the basic duration of the course is 2 months. 2 months is the average period of duration in which a person is able to complete the course. But you know what? The course content is lifetime. So even if you're having exams for 15 days or something like that, you can take a pause and you can come back and continue your course when you are done with your exams. Don't worry about that. The course itself is lifetime. The difference is the average duration person takes to complete the course. Okay, Nilesh, if you're satisfied with this answer, then please type out in the chat section. Any more doubts, guys? I'm just we still have 20 minutes. You can ask me about anything. You can ask me about life. I don't know. You can ask me anything. Yes, Ashish, if that is what you have been probably suggested by the counselor, then yes, you should be taking C, C++, and Android, because Java comes already bundled in the Android course. Okay, don't worry. Yes, go with C, go with C++, and go with Android. Don't worry. Actually, I'll tell you, it is independent. Even if you are learning C or C++ later on, that will help you build your concepts in DS and algorithms. Okay, if you go and do Android first, it is absolutely okay, because you will be able to learn Android programming, and then you can get better at DS and algorithms, right? Because you know what, programming is about staying there doing programming. It is not a one time thing that you are doing. Okay, don't worry, even if the order is little bit reverse or something like that, it is absolutely fine. You can obviously do C, C++, and Java, and then Android. There absolutely no problem in it. There is a minor course at Eckovation which gives you C, C++, and Java together. Okay, and after that you can learn Android development. There is no problem with that. Thank you, Ashish. Any other questions? Any more question, guys? I'm just all ears. You can ask me about anything. Okay, I think this is your life's best opportunity. If I would have had this opportunity before, I would have in my life. If I would have had this opportunity, I would have definitely probably grilled that person. Okay, because you can ask me anything right now. Tanmay Mohanta, he's asking, sir, in your introductory session, you have mentioned about online and offline trainings. Can you suggest some online trainings? Tanmay, I'm suggesting you Eckovation. Okay, Eckovation offers one of the best courses in the world right now, and most of these courses have been monitored for quality by me. So you can be sure that Ecovation courses are one of the best in class. So yes, Ecovation is the best place to do any online course as of today. Vedish MS, how to build strong logic in programming. Okay, so Tanmay, first of all, if I have answered your doubt correctly, then please do give me a shout in the chat section. Okay, Vedish, you're asking how to build strong logic in programming. So there are two ways to go about it. One is again that you should first of all build some projects. Okay, build some project, because when you're building a project, you know what, project building a project is like pregnancy. So because you have an idea, okay, and you incubate, you gestate that idea for a couple of months. Okay, that's similar to a child getting shape inside the mother's womb, right? So that is that is how your idea takes shape. And when you graduate, when your idea matures, then it becomes a full product. Okay, so your logic is built when you go from this cycle of ideation to full products. Okay, the more number of times you go through this loop, the more better you will be becoming in your logic building. Okay, so yes. So that is how it is, Vedish. And after you are done with this ideation and product loop a couple of times, maybe once or twice, then you should be going and looking into some competitive programming. People get very confused in competitive programming. I keep on getting doubts. I think after the previous session that I had, a lot of students, I had a massive inflow of doubts around competitive programming. I'll tell you, competitive programming is very simple and should be done when you are almost done with your projects and skill building in your career. Don't do it as the first step. Okay, so for example, don't get into competitive programming at least in the first year and second year, and at least till the mid of say third year. Okay, build some skills, build some projects, do some internships. Okay, and after that, as a side hobby, continue doing competitive programming. There are a lot of portals online where you can do competitive programming. Okay, so I hope, Vedish, I have answered your doubt. Please post in the comments if you're satisfied with the answer. No, Ashish, you're not going to miss anything. Please do C and C++. I will see you right back in the Android development course. Okay? Bhargav, is it possible to know more about the different fields of programming as you mentioned in the
It's
previous seminar?
5:45.
Yes, Bhargav, it is very much possible to know about the different fields of programming. We will be doing, Eckovation will be doing content specific, like career path specific webinars regularly. So this, for example, this webinar was about Android engineering. We will be doing regular webinars every now and then. So stay tuned for updates. You will be hearing from us. Okay, Ashish, I think I have answered your doubt. Ayush is asking, what do you think is going to be the future of Android? So Ayush, that's a very good question. I would say future of Android is ubiquitous Android. Android will be everywhere, okay, and you will be interacting with Android in groups, okay. With the advent of virtual reality, you will now be able to basically interact with the various Android devices that your friends are having in a virtual environment that is built. Okay, for example, if you're in a classroom, okay, and you're able to actually wear a VR headset, open an Android application, you're able to see all your classmates around in the classroom, in your in your classroom while being able to interact with them virtually, right? So that is how I think is the future of Android. It will be everywhere, and it will be very much augmented. It will be augmenting our reality. Okay, that is what I think is the future of Android. Nikhil Rathod, that's a very good question. What is the meaning of freelancing? So freelancing is a kind of a career option wherein you don't do a full-time job somewhere. What you do is you take up projects online, you take up the requirements, you do and build those projects, you send your output or the complete apps to them, and it will and then they will pay you out. Okay, that is what freelancing is. Generally, freelancing is done in small groups, or most of the time it is done alone. So someone somewhere in the part of the world will be giving you freelance, will be giving you projects, you will be building them, you will be sending it out to them, you will be then paid after that. Okay, that is what freelancing is all about. It is not like a your monthly payout kind of job that you do that people are generally looking for. It's not kind of that. Okay, Nikhil, I hope I have answered your doubt. Vedesh, can you tell me some other fields of in IT? Hey, Vedesh, this webinar is just about Android engineering. If you want to know other fields of IT, be stay scheduled, stay tuned. We will be covering those in the career in programming webinar that will be coming up next week. Okay. Ayush Tripathi, and in Android bots like the ones we saw in Westworld. Yes, Ayush, Android bots is also going to come up in a very big way. Artificial intelligence will finally be taking over a lot of our conversations, a lot of our daily control in life. Yes, it will be happening, but I don't think it will be bigger than virtual reality. That is my personal opinion. Obviously, you can have a different opinion. No worries about that. Basmani is again having a doubt. So you know what it is. It is very good to ask doubts. Okay, so please don't be shy or something like that. Just keep your doubts flowing in. I'm all yours. We have about 12 minutes more, and after that I'll be out. So please do keep asking me your doubts. Try to keep it specific to Android engineering only. Okay, because I see a lot of doubts not related to Android. Please keep them specific to Android so that this session can be useful to all other people also who are right now watching this session with you. Okay. What is the use of algebra in the coming engineering? It is very useful, Pasnani, if you are going to build very complex software engineering projects. It will be useful, but yes, for the starting years, it won't be very useful when you start your career. What will the operating system use? I did not get your doubt, Nikhil. If you can type it correctly, I will be able to better help you out. Any more doubts? You guys have really made me tired today. So yeah, please keep asking me more doubts. Android versus Windows, what are the differences? Bhargav Shah is asking. So you know what? Android is a mobile-based operating system. Windows is mostly a desktop-based operating system. Though Windows did launch a mobile version, but it did not like take off. But as of today, Android is or generally run on your mobile devices or tablets or probably on TV. Windows are generally run on Windows, like Microsoft Surface sort of tablets your desktop computers. And so yes, and Android is mobile. Okay, I just told you that, and Android is open source, and Windows is not open source. Android is free. Windows is not free. Yeah. What is the OS used? I still don't get your doubt, Nikhil. So if you're asking it about the Android, so yes, if we are building things on Android, then Android is the OS. Okay, Android is the OS, and the kernel is Linux. So Android is based on Linux kernel, and that is the OS. Okay, Android is itself the OS on which we build apps. Okay, anything else? Nilesh, Google has a monopoly as it's the only shop to get Android apps. Can I beat another shop? No, 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 Nilesh. They don't have the monopoly. There are a couple of other um, app stores as well, which are also distributing Android applications. So Google Play Store has a lot of market share, but they don't have the monopoly yet. Okay. So anything else, guys? And yes, so Nilesh is asking. Can I make another shop for this? Yes, you can make another shop. No one is stopping you from that. You can make another shop to distribute other people's Android applications. Yes, Nilesh, you can do that. Ashish, which software are you going to use for Android? I did not get that, Ashish. We'll be using Android Studio, Ashish. Yeah. Ayush Tripathi, you're asking about Oreo advantages and limitations over former versions. So we'll be taking that up in the group itself. So this webinar is for independent doubts. Anything else, guys? So guys, I think you guys are almost done with the doubts. Please do subscribe the Ecovations Android course. Okay. So please do subscribe it if you want to. Sorry, if you really want to get ahead in your life and build awesome Android applications in the future, please do subscribe. Don't wait for your exams. Just don't wait for your exams. Okay. And use the promo code that I've mentioned. That is ECKOWEBINAR. That's Eco Webinar. That's the 11 letter coupon code that you have to use. You will be getting an awesome discount with that. And after your course is done, you will be getting a certificate. You will be learning with all the sessions that are being conducted inside the Android development course. Most of these sessions are recorded, but all the questions that you will be having will be taken up by the instructors. That is one of them is me and the other experts in the course. Please do subscribe it. You can find the link below this below this YouTube video. You can click over there and go to the link and use the promo code that I've mentioned over there. um, Before we go, Nikhil, I think as one more doubt, are there any other softwares other than Android Studio? Yes, there are other softwares other than Android Studio. One of them is Eclipse. It was very massively used a couple of years back, but now Android Studio is more widely used to build any sort of apps. Anything else, guys? We have 7 more minutes. I used to party. Your IntelliJ license has expired, so you should be using IntelliJ community version, so your license won't expire. Don't worry, Ayush. Anything else, guys? So if we don't get any doubt for next 2 minutes, we will be stopping this session. So to keep me going, you need to keep asking doubts from me. Okay, no doubts yet from anyone else. Are you? Do you guys know everything? Okay, Nikhil is coming up with another doubt. How much hours daily should I give to learn Android? Nikhil, I would say as many as possible. Okay, generally, if you're having your classes, 2 to 3 hours is the minimum time. I think people can give if they are a little bit committed. I'm sure you are committed towards learning, so I'm sure you will be doing that. So yes, 2 to 3 hours is the ideal amount of time that you should be giving. Yeah. Anything else, guys? When will be the next session? Vedish, next session will be very soon on the basis of the impact that we are able to make in this session. We will be conducting more sessions. I personally feel very happy, and personally, I feel very motivated to solve the doubts and questions of you guys. So, if you guys turn out well, then yes, we will be conducting more sessions, Vedish. Nikhil, what will be the projects regarding? So that you will come to know inside the course itself, Nikhil. Or maybe Ayush, if you are still listening, can you tell Nikhil a little bit about the project that we are going to make in this course, so that yeah, it would be nice if you can like help him out, Nikhil. Ayush, yeah. So if you're listening, just answer to the question that Nikhil is asking in the doubt section. No, Ashish, I will not be conducting every future session, but there will be some sessions that will always be conducted by me. We will be having more experts from like the senior people from all the companies around who will be taking up sessions in the future. But yes, I will not be the only one conducting. Yes, so someone else will also be coming to connect. Can you keep a session on cybersecurity? Vedish is asking. Yes, yes, Vedish. We will be keeping some sessions of cybersecurity as well. Stay tuned for the future communications from Eckovation. Anything else, guys? We have about 3 minutes to go. What are the different platforms to launch Android applications other than Google? So, Bhargav, there is one Nine Mobile that I was recently looking at is a very good like app store where you can launch your apps as well. And then another one that is coming up very fast is Amazon App Store. So Amazon App Store and Nine Mobile App Store sort of this thing are like very good other than the Play Store offered by Google to launch your application. Anything else, guys? So we have just about 3 more minutes to go. Okay, still don't see a lot of you guys trying to look into the Android course. If you guys are really interested, I would suggest that you please go and look into the Android development course that is offered by me. Anything else, guys? I'm waiting for your doubts. What made you quit your high-paying job and launch Eckovation? Um, Nikhil, I would say that my passion of helping you guys out, helping the engineering students India wide, helping them out, made me believe in myself and quit my high-paying job and started Ecovation. So that is what that keeps me going day in day out. That is what like awakes me in the morning and brings me to the office. That is what like motivates me. I keep on communicating to you guys day in day out, and that is what keeps me motivated. Um, yeah, Vedish, is Android we are running out of and import them in your Java code, you will basically be using Java for Android. Okay, so it's just basically the library basically.
It's 6 o'clock.
Yeah, so my computer tells me that it's 6 o'clock. Um, so yeah, so I'm just going off. Um, Yeah. So Ayush, you have answered Nikhil's question. Hey Ayush, hey Nikhil. So Ayush has answered this question. Ayush is an existing student for our course, so I'm sure you will be able to connect with that better because he's just like one of the students like you. Um, so, guys, like I really would like to thank you for your time and like your like please do subscribe to my course. I will really feel happy. And thank you very much. Thank you. I'm signing off right now. See you in the next episode. Stay tuned to the Ecovations communication. You will be hearing from us very soon. Thank you.